So we're getting my hair colored.
Hello.
These are our little Rocky boys.
Archit's last day in India.
We're finally in the car. I'm finally leaving. Everyone came to say goodbye. Nasty.
So this is Archit's last few days.
Second last day.
Okay, second last day. And he wanted to come to the doormat. So we are at the doormat right now.
We both gonna be in California. Are you excited?
Yes, very soon.
Very soon. I have to go get my hair done. Should I go more blonde? What do you think? You're coming to drop me off at the end.
Yes, I have committed to that.
You have to. All of you have to. All my friends need to be there. I do not care. I want all of you there. Look at Arjun's school stuff.
Not Archit exposing me.
So we're getting my hair colored blonde. Actually, I don't know. We're gonna touch up the roots and change it up a little. What do you think?
I will not recommend the blonde actually. If
Oh.
you
I'm waiting for him to come with the color.
Hello. This is me. I'm vlogging. Taking over. Archit won't let me show him because he thinks he looks very bad. But can I just like...
No!
Okay, it's like a very tiny bit. You're not even visible, I promise. Put that, please. Yeah. I insist.
Okay. My flight's in 2 days.
Yeah, his flight's in 2 days. Listen, why are you going? Don't go.
I have.
This is so weird. Can I please show you?
No.
No.
Why is the background music so loud?
Anyway, I'm just sitting here getting bored while Archit is busy there getting blonde. He's changing his hair color again. You know, my mom, I told my mom that I'm going with Archit. He's getting his hair color done and she's like, again? Is he gone mad? Archit's hair reveal. You look so tense. Just fine, calm down.
I love it. I already love it. It's good, it's good,
Oh
it's
my
good.
God.
It's very nice.
It looks a lot more natural.
Yeah.
I feel. Basically gonna be a loner. Archit's going, Tanisha's going. I'm gonna have no friends at all.
I absolutely love this hair color.
See?
It's like a darker color which I really wanted.
Wow.
Oh. Hi, I just came back home. I had a really long day. This is my new hair color. Yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow. I'm out for dinner with Tia, Rududara and Mohammed.
I'm so excited.
No.
I don't know what to say.
Hi guys, it's Tia and Ruditara. Hello. Me and Ruditara beside Archit and Mohammed Rocky. These are our little Rocky boys. And Mohammed hates being here and Archit is forcing us to do this.
Hi guys, so
Archit's last day in India.
And Tanisha also.
And Tanisha's also. We're living together and we're all here at Monkey to just chill and vibe.
Hey guys. Asta's also there behind. Hi Asta. My sunburned tomato.
Hi! It's the second time I say hi.
Yeah. But that's enough guys. So Ishika and I have to film a few reels. So we're just setting up the tripod in the office. It's my last day in India. How do you feel?
I feel so sad. We just became friends.
You know, her and I went to the same school.
Yeah,
Fun
and we
fact.
just didn't know
We
each
just
other.
didn't know each other. Ayush is my manager who hates me.
You're the manager for reels?
That's
You're the
true.
manager for reels?
No.
And now
Anayata is here. Tarini!
Shooting!
Akshat, my other manager.
Yes. My other manager. Wait, did he give you cry?
a little bit.
Don't cry, actually. Don't
I'm
cry.
not
It's fine,
crying.
It's fine, yaar. It's fine.
You're the one removing tears from my eyes.
We're gonna miss you. This wall is gonna miss you. We're gonna miss He might not, but we will.
Yeah, you.
No, Ayush loves you just as much. Man, this is so bad. Team Archit Meher.
I'm really excited to share with you guys the sponsor for our video today, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for people who want to explore their creative selves. It's a great platform that provides ad-free content for its viewers, and it lets you explore hassle-free. You can find a bunch of stuff from photography, cooking, to technical stuff like coding, editing, etc. So I'm moving tomorrow to America, so before going I wanted to learn cooking, so I've been taking a few cooking classes from Skillshare. It's a Mediterranean and Lebanese cuisine class by Simon, and it's short lessons that teach you well and help you prepare for, you know, in the future when you want to cook. I feel like it's a great ease to have such an access to a creative platform like this, and that too for a yearly subscription for less than 2,400 rupees, which comes down to less than 200 rupees per month. I mean, honestly, we tend to spend more than this on an online food order. Coming to the main announcement of this video for my viewers, I have a link in my description that gives the first 2,500 people a free 1-month trial. You can explore for free for the first month and learn from various classes, so don't forget to check it out. Anahita's doing work, Ishika's ordering pizza, and Tarani's mad at me. Oh.
I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at him. He's leaving tomorrow, so I'm sad.
We have Ishika, my senior from school who I just became friends with. Kavya, my manager has... Oh! My manager has something to talk about me, which Tari is going to vouch
Two
for.
beautiful creators, very hardworking, very creative, very talented creators.
Next thing we know, people are cancelling you.
There's like a gun on her head from the other side, guys.
I'm leaving. I don't know when I'll see you all next. Bye. Hug me, Ayush.
How nice. Hug me.
So I woke up late and I was packing the whole day. After that I went to see my grandmom, and now I'm going home, showering, eating and leaving for the airport.
Hi Alina, I just helped Archit pack because he can't do shit alone.
And I'm leaving. I'm 2 hours late, by the way.
Yeah, just mentioning that casually.
That.
Can we actually leave? Go, hurry up.
Okay, I need to piss.
Okay, go piss then. And he needs to go wash your face also fast. You have to leave fast. I'm so sad. I'm internally crying. I just...
The way she's the only friend of mine who came to my house.
And helped him
And
pack.
helped me pack. And
Last
dropping
minute.
me to the airport.
Period. As I should.
And stealing my hoodie.
Yeah, I'm taking his hoodie also. I just told him like I'm taking it. Hello. But he isn't giving me his elder wand.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna give you Harry. I'm a big Harry Potter fan.
And he's not giving me the Harry Potter elder wand. I'm so pissed. Like that's so rude.
Okay, you know what? I'm like really late. And we're doing the Renegade. I'm also gonna do.
Silence.
Okay, I'm gonna go use the washroom and then you're gonna talk to Alina to that. Just don't finish my battery and you.
Can you go piss now? Just go piss. Go piss. Oh my god. He's finally gone and I'm literally gonna... Okay, Archit, I know you're gonna see this later. I haven't and I don't want to say it in front of you. This is for Archit and Tanisha. I'm literally gonna miss you guys so much. Like, I might be smiling and laughing, but on the inside I'm crying and it's cringe, so like I can't say it in front of you all, but like I'm really gonna miss you guys. I basically have no friends except for you guys, so I really hope you all come back soon. Archit, you're gonna come sooner than you think you do, let me just say that. And yeah, I'm gonna miss you guys. Archit, please see this only after you leave. This is embarrassing. I'm also eating Archit's atta noodles that he's made very badly. Meanwhile, he just goes and takes a piss. Oh, sorry Archit, it's fine. You're going anyway.
Okay, I'm leaving. This is my last time in my room. Last time with Alina.
My also last
Oh, yours also last time. I'm so sad. Come meet me in America.
I will.
I'm very...
Hello, you are also coming here and I will try.
I will try to come.
But you're literally coming here like sooner than you think.
Yeah, okay. Bye house, bye Bombay. Going. That's my mom.
Bye mom.
Let's go. Alina and my mom and me. We're off. My mom's there. I'm going. Finally.
I just have no words.
This quality is so bad. We're finally in the car. We're leaving.
After 10 years of Archit's packing.
And yeah, the photo shoot.
Yeah, and the photo shoot.
This is the amount of luggage I'm carrying. Alina's holding half of it. I'm holding half of it.
Everything's on my lap.
Everything's on my lap too. And in the trunk. Oh my god, it's our last time in Bombay.
It's nothing, none of this is hitting me right now. Like,
Listen, it's not hitting me either.
like it just doesn't feel real. It feels like a dream.
I know. Look, anyway, the
fact that I'm
suitcase.
just not gonna have any friends is...
We've reached the airport. Like,
Fun fact, I've put like a applied waterproof mascara today just in case I cry. The way I'm not in condition of being on camera right now.
same. But we still have to make content, don't forget.
That's true, but it's such an emotional time. Like my heart is pounding right now. I don't know how to react.
It's fine.
It is.
Tanisha and I both are leaving. And
Thank you. Thank you for rubbing it in my face. Hey, the airport now.
I'm going. How do you all feel? Look at how many people have come to drop us. Akshat, Tarini, Ayush, Kavya, Ahmad. Say hi to my vlog. Sabiha.
I know these guys now. I can't see any tears.
There are no tears.
I have. You won't be able to see them.
Mohammed, Chris, Ruzatara, Raf, Neil, Tia. Everyone's come to drop me. I feel so good.
So excited to rob you. Can't let you leave.
How do you all feel about me leaving? Hate you all. I have the worst friends. I'm kidding. I love you all. I love you all. I'm finally leaving. Everyone came to say goodbye to me. Tanisha is there. And we're just going together and we're really excited. We're checking in. We just checked in our bags and these are like our...
Mine are not checked in. Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. We're finally going to New York. So Tanisha and I are now in duty-free shopping. Because we always do this.
Can you buy me a perfume?
I will, come.
Have a seat, we will serve you on the table. Thank you.
We just ordered McDonald's and now we're waiting. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Adyan. How's it going?
He's our friend.
He's already done with us.
He's These vloggers. And Tanisha's very graciously carrying my jacket.
Yeah, I'm so nice.
Thank you. Okay, that's it. Our meal's here. Adyant and I are waiting at the gate. Tanisha's going to buy me something because she runs fast and I can't afford to miss my flight. Are you excited for New York?
Yes.
I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. We just landed. Adyant and Tanisha are in front of me walking, really mad at me because I won't leave the vlog.
Even I need to just like calm down a little bit and I'll start vlogging.
Yeah.
Just landed.
We just landed and I'm like, I have to vlog. It's 5 AM here and it's 2 PM in India. I just met Sanu and Raja and Tanisha, obviously. We're here. We're here. Guys, at least some excitement, please. We're here.
We're here!
We're going to Sanu's apartment.
So much.
This blue bag really irritated all of us, huh?
Everyone.
Really, we hate that blue bag. We're at Starbucks picking up something to eat, drink.
eat, drink,
Everything.
everything.
Breakfast time. Let's go.
Let's just go.
Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Watch my New York vlog after this.
And go to my channel, also will be in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.